extra $15,000 in sales using these 3 simple apps. What is happening, everyone? Welcome back to another video in my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you 3 must-have apps that you must have in your Shopify store. I use these apps in all of my Shopify stores and they basically generate 20% of my revenue. I will be revealing exactly what are the apps and how much money they generated me, and I will take you a walkthrough exactly how you can use them in your store. Just before we start, guys, as always, make sure you... Wait a minute, what is this? Did you write that, guys? Somebody broke into my house. Just kidding, guys. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and join the family, and of course turn on the bell notification so you will not miss out any future content. And of course, make sure you smash this little thing, smash it, the like button. YouTube algorithm likes the like button, so make sure you smash it hard, guys. As well as we have a free Facebook and Telegram group in the link in the description that you can check out. Super active groups, a lot of great members, so make sure you join after watching this video. So with that being said, guys, let's start with a video. So basically, when I started dropshipping on Shopify, I was learning from other people and also taking some other courses, and most of the people showing you how to overcomplicate things and having too many apps inside your Shopify store and also paying a lot of money. I decided to do some research myself and I found those great 3 apps that helps me. Bottom line, they make me more money, and that is the main thing that you need to focus, and this is what I'm focused. People think that if you're going to complicate things and have so many apps and oh yeah, that is doing that and that is doing that, so then you will have more conversions, etc. But this is not true, and this is only wasting your money, and I want to help you out to save some money and actually have apps installed in your Shopify store that actually will bring you more revenue and more profit. Okay, so the first app called Vitals. Now, Vitals costs $29.99 per month, and you also have a 15 days free trial. Now, essentially what Vitals offers you is, instead of installing different apps for different actions in your website, you have 40 different apps inside one app. So instead of going and wasting money for all those different apps, you can have everything in one place, which is also very convenient and money saving. Now, I'm not saying that I'm using all the features inside Vitals, not even close, but the 3 main things that I'm using Vitals is for product reviews, sticky add to cart, and also currency converter. Now, the good thing about Vitals is right now I'm just using 3 main features inside Vitals, but if I want to add more things later on the way from things that I learned, or want to just test new features or new apps, so instead of going and purchasing new apps and paying more money, I can just go to Vitals and just add this feature. Super simple. So I said that I'm using 3 features inside Vitals, but the main feature that I'm using and that helps me generate more money is product reviews. Now, I know that I can't track exactly how much this app made me. The other 2, I actually am able to track exactly how much they generated me, but I promise you that having reviews with images on your product page increase and boost your sales a lot. Studies show that 67% of people purchasing because they see someone else using the same product, which is the same case with product reviews. Now, let me show you exactly how easy it is to add reviews to your product using this app. Now, basically all you need to do is to click on product reviews and then of course enable this feature, and then you have some settings down here. I don't want to go in depth with those details, but basically it's like the star colors and like size of the star, things like that. You can just go over those settings, but basically all you need to do is to go to products and then select which product you want to add reviews to. You click on import reviews for new product, and then you select the product that you want to add reviews, and basically all you need to do after that is just to copy the link from AliExpress and go back to Vitals and add AliExpress link. You add here the link, and now you can choose the number of reviews that you want Vitals to import: 50, 25, 100, etc. You can choose the star reviews, you can choose reviews only with images or not. I go with images only, and after that you click import reviews, and that's it. So just to save up some time, guys, I want to show you one of my stores which I'm using this app on my stores. It's not active right now, but I just want to show you exactly how it looks. So it's super simple, guys. As you can see, you have the star reviews right here beneath the title, and if you scroll down till the reviews, as you can see, all the reviews with the pictures, and you can also edit the text, you can edit the images, you can add your own reviews to your product page. This is basically something that we do. We take in better images, maybe from AliExpress or maybe from Amazon, and then we add them to our website, so we will have like the best compelling product reviews images. I want to also show you exactly how it looks on mobile. You see it looks great. The same thing beneath the title, and you scroll down here to the product reviews, and boom, it looks very, very nice, and you don't need more than that. It is more than enough for the start, and that is really helps me convert more and make more sales and profit. So our next app called Sweet Upsell. Now basically what Sweet Upsell is, it's not just a regular upsell, it is post-purchase upsell. Now basically the way it works is simple. After a customer completes his purchase, at the thank you page, he's getting another upsell after he's already completed the payment. Now the cool thing about this app, as you can see, it costs $19.99 per month, but you only pay after you make your first sale. So it means if you will not be able to make sales in your store, you will not pay anything. I want to show you a dashboard of one of my stores, which in total, in only 1 month, it generated me over $1,000. Now, why is this upsell so powerful? Because when someone has already put out his credit card and gave you the money and already completed the purchase, and then you offer him another thing, something that he cannot resist, then it's just easy. It is too easy, and it's making you extra revenue, extra money, extra profit for your customer, which is amazing. Now let me show you how easy it is to create an upsell on Sweet Upsell. So the first thing, I'm going to click on add new upsell. Now the upsell name will be filled automatically. Now all you need to do is to go and to choose the trigger product, which let's say this hoodie, and click save. Now the upsell product that we want to upsell for the same product will be, let's say, this socks. Now in this section you add your headline to the offer. So by default, I will leave it as it is. It's saying, wait, you have unlocked a special offer, take 40% off of any of the items below. So I will leave it as it is right now. Here you can determine how much you want the discount will be, 40, 30, 50%, really depends on you. I think that 40 or 50% will be the best, because you really want to give the customer a deal that he cannot refuse. Now right here you can also have a countdown timer, so I will set it up to 5 minutes and click OK. Now about after upsell conversion, basically what it means that if customer already purchased that the same upsell, if he will see that again on his thank you page. Now I personally don't like him to see that twice. If he took once the upsell, then I don't want that Sweet Upsell will show them again this same upsell. Here you can choose if you want to hide the product description or not. Basically all you need to do is to click save, and boom, success, your upsell has been created. Now let me show you exactly how it looks. Boom, there you have it. You see we have the headline, we have the product. You can add like multiple products here, and he basically can just add the same product to his original order, which is super good. And believe me, this upsell works insane. This is exactly how it looks on mobile. Again, looking very good. And guys, you need to understand that selling for someone that already purchased from you, it is the easiest part. To having new clients, that is the most difficult part. So I really suggest you to try this upsell app. Again, as I said, you don't have any risk. If you don't make even one sale, you don't pay anything for this app. Guys, just before I reveal you the third app and the most powerful app, which generated me an extra $14,000 in sale in around a month or so, make sure you do me this small favor and smash the like button. It is 100% free to smash it, and it takes only 1 second. So make sure you smash it. So the name of the app is Candy Rack. Now Candy Rack costs $39.99 per month, which is not the cheapest, but you also have 14 days free trial. Now believe me that this app is totally worth those $40 per month and will probably generate you the most amount of money of all other apps out there. Now essentially what this app does, it's quite simple. It is one-click upsell. This is what I was looking for, that when someone click on purchase and add to cart, then it offers him maybe a discounted price for the same product or additional related product for a discounted price. Right now I am inside of one of my store's dashboard inside the Candy Rack app, and as you can see right here in the dashboard, it says that we generate an extra $8,376.30 with this app, and the total take rate is more than 10%. It's 11.45. Basically what it means is that when customers going inside to our website and clicking add to cart and seeing the upsell, 11.45% of those customers are using the upsell. Now I know that it's only showing $8,376 in this dashboard, but the dashboard is not 100% accurate. The way that you can actually measure it is every upsell that you make and someone taking that upsell, you have a unique discount code, and by the actual code you can track how much extra sales you made with this upsell app. So right now I am inside the upsell, which generated me $14,000, and I want to share with you the exact code that we have here, the discount code. If we will go to the discount codes in the same store, you can see that we have the same code right here, and this code generated me $14,000 extra revenue on top of the sales of the store using this simple one-click upsell app. Now let me show you exactly how to create your upsell using this app. So basically all you need to do is click on new upsell and then product upsell. Now here you can choose the name of your upsell, which will be only showed to you. It will not show on your upsell itself. Now next we'll go and select upsell product and just select a product that you want to upsell. Now right here you want to add the text that will catch the eye of the customer. Let's say add me for 30% off. After the text you want to click apply discount on this product, and now you want to insert exactly how much will be the discount. So let's say 30%. After that you want to go to targeting, and basically it asks you on which product you want to show this upsell. So you just click the product, let's say this one, and click add. And basically right now every time that someone will try to purchase this product right here, he will see this upsell that we created right here. And after that you just click save and active, and basically that's it. It's that simple. So let me show you on the website exactly how it looks. So let's click on add to cart. Boom, there you have it. You can add, I think, up to 4 or 5 if I remember correctly. And as you can see, the first upsell is the same product with a discounted price. Next product is a related product, and the next one is also related product. Now this, if you will use this app and use also Sweet Upsell, your average order value will go to the roof. Basically for me this app works the best. I tried many different apps, and for me this is the most simple, and it generated me the most amount of money. So this is why I'm using Candy Rack Upsell. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you took some massive value out of it, and of course enjoy this video. Those apps together generated me over $15,000 in extra revenue. If you will combine all of them together and get used to working with them, I guarantee you your sales will skyrocket, guys. Let me know in the comment section below if you were already using those apps, and if you do, make sure you send me a screenshot of your extra sales using those apps. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and smash this like button. Go ahead and smash it, guys, and of course join the family and hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so you will not miss out any future content. So with that being said, I will see you in the next one. Peace. You have the headline, the ones that help. So you will not miss out, and smash the like button. Smash this guy, smash